Welcome back to WellPlus TV. Today we are diving straight into these job openings with this international brand, Carnival Cruise Line. They are currently hiring for multiple positions, and at the moment they have 81 job openings, guys. 81 job openings. Are you looking for a remote job with an international brand? Go right now to Carnival Cruise Line because they are hiring. And as usual, my lovelies, we are going to be linking this website on the comment and description section such that when you click on it, it brings you directly to this job opening. Without further much ado, let's jump into these job openings that are available. Okay, lovelies, look at here. They have a lot of openings, a lot of opportunity that suits different skills. The first one here, we could see they have family support training specialist. This is bilingual and this is remote. Okay. They have entertainment revenue and onboard marketing director. This is hybrid. Well, this means that if you are living somewhere in Miami, Florida, you have the opportunity to work partly in the office that's on site and then at home. That's why it's hybrid. Meanwhile, this first one we saw here, family support training specialist, is fully remote. And we can quickly take a look at this and see what this is all about. You click open the job and it brings you to this page, all right? This page right here, they are looking for someone who can provide compassionate care and logistical support to our guests, to their guests, shipboard and shoreside team members, and their family or friends when faced with a crisis or traumatic event while vacationing or working with Carnival Cruise Line. Create and deliver care training to internal and external partners and team members to expand the care team support network. So this is basically the job description of what the family support training specialist is going to be doing. And the work style, it's remote. So the essential function of this job will be to work in collaboration with shipboard and shoreside teams as well as external partners to manage the day-to-day incidents, including but not limited to all of that, but in summaries, to manage the day-to-day incidents. Okay. Number second function will be to deliver care team training to internal and external partners, update existing training materials, develop new training, and create new videos to keep material current. The third one will be deploy locally to provide support to medically disembarked guests and crew or internationally. So, in other words, they can deploy you internationally to assist displaced guests and crew with lodging, transportation, and address immediate needs. In other words, they can ask you to go internationally. Hence, you were working with an international company. The fourth one says administrative work, which includes coding invoices, ensuring volunteers are compensated accordingly. You're also going to be updating case log, maintaining care team, Maybos, and all of that. So for you to qualify for this job, they have two qualifications that it's needed here. The first one is bachelor's degree in hospitality, in education, business administration, psychology, all of those related fields. If you have a bachelor's degree in any of the related fields, I'm encouraging you to apply. The second qualification is 3+ year in customer service role. So if you have done any form of customer service role, this job might be your dream job. Then if you have worked in a care team deployment history, This could be that job for you. Okay. And moving on to the knowledge, skills, and ability. In other words, the skills required. First, you must have, management skills, organizational skills, of course, in order for you to be proactive, in order for you to be efficient. Remember, you're working from the comfort of your home. So you need the skills to be, on top of your game. Second skill, it's Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, have a customer service skills, ability to work under pressure, ability to work with deadline, highly organized, proactive, and all of that. Okay. They also demand that you're physically fit. What this means, you must be able to remain in a stationary position at a desk or computer. They don't want someone who's standing and falling, that kind of stuff. So you have to be physically fit. Another thing here is travel. This might require you to travel 25 to 50%, and this will be ship-based travel. All right. The position is classified as remote. As a remote role, it allows the employee to work full-time from comfort of their home. All right. They said it may also require regular travel to Carnival headquarters in Miami, Florida, you know. And sourcing of candidates, it's primarily done in Carnival remote hubs. They are interested in candidates living in Orlando, Tampa, Atlanta, Houston, Dallas. If they don't find candidates there, they are going to extend to Florida as in a whole, Georgia as in a whole, Texas as in a whole, and North Carolina. All right? And then they have a lot of, interesting benefit. They have health benefits, cost-effective medical, dental, vision plan. They have employee assistance program and other mental health resources. They also have additional programs, include company-paid term life insurance and disability coverage. They have financial benefits. So working with them, you have 401k plan that includes a company match. So whatever you contribute, the company is matching it. Okay. They have employee stock purchase plan. Well, and then they have paid time off. Guys, you can beat this. They have holidays, vacation time. The holidays at full time and part time with employee benefit receives off for 7 company-wide holidays. So all the holidays 7 of them are honored by this company. Vacation time, they have full-time employees at the manager and below level start with 14 days per year. Okay. If you're a director with them, yours starts at 19 days per year. All right. And if you are part-time with benefits, employee receive time off based on the number of hours they work, okay, with a minimum of 84 hours a year. Just take your time and read through all these lovelies. They have sick time. A full-time employee receives 80 hours of sick time each year, which is about 2 weeks, guys. Because 40 hours, it's 1 week for a full-time. They also have other benefits. They have complimentary standby cruises, employees discount on confirmed cruises, plus special rates for family and friends. They have personal and professional learning and development resources, including tuition reimbursement. They also have on-site preschool program and wellness center at the Miami campus. Can you see that? If this interests you in any ways, love this. And if you live in any of these states, Florida, Georgia, Texas, North Carolina, you may want to give this a shot. And the way to apply, it's click on the apply button. Then it brings you to this page and it's already telling you that you don't need an account to apply. They say get started right away by simply using your email. Your profile will be created and kept up to date automatically as you enter details for each of your application. So in essence, you don't need to, worry yourself about creating an account. Just put in your email address and click on agree, and that's it, and you move forward. And the system will walk you every step of the way. All right, lovelies, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and share with your family and friends. Also turn on the bell notification if you are getting value from this video. All right, feel free to explore this website, my lovelies. I'm gonna be linking this website on the description and comment section. They have tons of job openings. They have 81 of them. 81. Okay, they have global gaming partnership. If this interests you, explore it. They have this is fully remote Australian team agent. They have case management, associate manager, purchasing manager. They have all of different positions. All right, if you can't find anything on this first page, use this button to go to second page. All right, just look. Who knows, this might be that dream job you have been looking for. And who wouldn't want to work for an international brand like Carnival? Okay, where you have some discounts with cruising. I want to be on cruise all year round. So lovelies, this is it for today on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Wildpulse TV, like us, share us, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of our updates. I'll see you in my next video. Stay financially empowered.